Connecting OneDrive to ClickUp enables seamless file attachments, sharing, and workspace-connected search for AI queries. It's available on paid plans. Guests need comment permissions. Admins and owners handle workspace setup, while individuals can connect personally. No App Center install needed. Use cloud storage directly. Steps for personal connection. Attach files. Open ClickUp. Navigate to a task, comment, or description. Click the attachment icon, paperclip in the editor. Select OneDrive from Cloud Options or browse cloud storage. Sign in to your Microsoft account if prompted. Authorize ClickUp access, one time. Browse and select files or folders. Attached files show a OneDrive icon. Control access via task privacy. Steps for workspace-connected search. Admins. Go to App Center. Search bar, Apps. Search Microsoft OneDrive. Select it. Click Workspace tab. Activate if needed. Choose Select Locations drop-down. Pick Shared OneDrive folders. A Microsoft admin approves scopes via email prompt. Tips. One team, one cloud account, switch via settings. Use Command Center, Command or Control +K. Open OneDrive for quick access. Disconnect anytime in App Center. Files remain secure. Only attached ones are accessible.